Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first, in settings, go to battery and then power saving mode, enable it. Then scroll from the top and adjust the brightness, just lower it a little. And since we're in the quick settings already, disable everything that you're not using. So I'm not using location, I'm not using NFC, and you can even enable the airplane mode. Then, in battery, you can scroll and see the battery usage per app, and you can consider using less the apps that takes the most battery. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.